Yes, everything is psychosomatic.
Yes, sir.
The whole world is psychosomatic. The whole manifestation is psychosomatic. Begins with the psyche and ends with the soma. The beginning point is in the psyche, the end point is in the soma. This is what everybody has to understand. The whole world has to understand. Psychosomaticity. That is what is spiritual science. That is what is enlightenment. Nothing else is enlightenment. Psychosomaticity is the enlightenment. Psychosomaticity is the spiritual science. Everything begins with the mind and ends with the body. The mind is the psyche. The body is the soma. Psychosomatic. Everything begins with the mind. Everything means everything. There is nothing more to understand. Nothing more to understand. When you understand this, you understand everything. All the physical conditions are because of the mental conditions. All the physical realities are because of the mental realities. If you want to change the physical reality, change the mental reality. Change the thought. That's all. You don't need to change the world. Change the thought of the world. The whole world has changed. Keep the worldly thinking in the same way. Keep the world in the same way. Change one thought about the world, then you have changed the world. Sitting at your home, you can change the whole world. Psychosomaticity. Huge wave of psychosomaticity.